46.5%. By the way, you mentioned Taiwan. Yes. No let up there. 46.5% revenue. And we said we haven't got all the numbers. We simply got the March 2025 revenue before you can see the shares of Taiwan.
What does that say? Okay, so CNBC is playing in the background because that's what I listen to in the morning. But I hope it's not too loud, like where it's over talking me, but I don't think so. Y'all should be good. So I finally got my OBS studio up and working. Well, it wasn't not working. I just hadn't set it up. So I finally set it up, figured out how to use it, screen record and all that stuff. So I'm not doing live trading for a little while because I need to practice and I need to focus on not over trading. And I don't want to be on live and then I'm over trading and other people following me and over trading as I'm over trading. And that is not what I want to show anybody what to do. Come on now. 19. I need to ask Thinkorswim how come I can't drag my screen down like when I'm on Bookmap, regular Bookmap, you can drag your screen down and see what's liquidity at the top and bottom, and this does not let me drag my screen. It lets me drag it over but not down. Like, I don't know what's up with that. I'm gonna send them support a message. 19,200. It's 100 ordered up there. Or buys. 18,700. Wait, that's 19,200. This is 18,700. For buys, 18,700 for buys, 94 orders, and 18,525 is like 50 orders. Oh, 18,550 is 70. 18,550 is 75 orders and 700. The only place, not many sales, just at 19,200. And that's it. And turn my little heater on. Okay. Focus. The market was open in 20 minutes and then behind. But I did do a lot of my see, I like to lean on this, so I need to have this a little bit higher. I keep on lowering my desk, but really I like my desk high. Yeah. Okay. So this is gonna be sellings. No, that needs to be buys. Mm. 18,700 and 18,550. Sellers are at 19,200. That's it. It's right here by this level that I would have called out. I would have marked off. Let's see. Mm, That's like a odd little high, so it's probably something to watch out for. Price started here 6 o'clock. The highest high was this 19,387. I like that. It's been sitting at this 1 hour bullish order block for a while. I made a new bullish order block right here. Maybe I'll move it over and use that one. Maybe I move this over and use this one. Just kind of like already in that one. I would like that one. Kind of like that. This one a little better, but. Could use this as a breaker block, but I really don't like using breaker blocks, but that is a breaker block. This price just went straight up through it. You could use it. It's like a 1 hour. See how it plays out. That is like a real prevalent, like that it broke through and didn't even pay it any attention, and that is a prevalent order block. So maybe I should use that as a breaker block. Yeah, so let's see when it's news. Oh yeah, I can show y'all what I use for my news now. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's financial juice. And it looks like this, so I was on the wrong tab. Then it shows like the different news for the day. So of course it was CPI earlier at 8:30, and then Trump talking at 11. Oh man, what he gonna be talking about? I'm gonna be finished trading by 11 anyway. That's what I plan on being finished trading by 11 anyway. Rent levels, sales. 19,200. And that's it for now. Look at bookmap a little bit later once the market opens. This chair is so annoying. It keeps sliding down. I need to buy a new chair, but I want to wait and buy a Secret Lab chair. And that's expensive, so I don't want to buy another like $200 chair and then have to buy that on top of another $200 chair later down the line. So if price stays, price been hitting this little area. So if it could break this area, this 1 hour OB. Oh, first of all, this needs to be green. So if price stays below, I think that it's a lot. If price stays, I think below this here. Honestly, I think it should stay below this 19,044, but it is a to continue bearish. If price stays below 19, I guess I could say 200 since it is that book map up there. But 19,200. 100. Bears could remain in control. But really, I think it should stay below 19, this 19,044 area that I have, which I would rather bring down some to like here. I like that better. It's just like 19. I should move to like, where's 19,000? You know what? I could just make it 19,000. It's too hard to do that. Because Nasdaq love do zeros. Levels. Yeah, right there. So if price can stay below 19,200 book map level, let's say stay below 19,000 or 19,200. My short rejections at um 18. Let's say 18,650 breaker block area. And book map level 18,700 or bookmap level 18, yeah, 700. Wait, you know what? 18, 700. 50. Bus, bookmap level 18, 700. Oh my goodness. Time is going too fast. 50. Mm, 200. Stay above here. To continue up, definitely. Well, you should watch for reversal at like 19,000, really. Or 19,200 bookmap level. Well, if that's the case, I don't need to put that there if I'm gonna have it there. Yeah. So I'm not gonna have that there. Okay, that looks good. I don't know. So I have to put this on my put this in my Discord. Also, I put stuff in the mobile futures Discord. I kind of want to take this OB 1 hour out because it's like, I mean, that whole, I'm definitely taking that off. Taking that off and just put a line there. That's what how I should have had that. Actually not had anything there.
Some of them fully installation workers, and then the shop being he will be flat. Million or 7.5%, 3 years more. Flat year. Not me. This is not what the sex is. With yeah, after what continues to slow, consumption continues to slow. We don't know. This could be over next for this phase. There's always a change with this thing is unfortunately way because of what's happening. That's what's happening before. But what's very important is GLP. The craving for beer is more than the craving for sport. So I'm not understanding with this is you look at the industry's going through a day. The industry is ill-advised say other worldly nature that's happening. People are not taking years on this. They did. That's okay. That's what's happening. People are taking the brain out of this. We're still drinking bottles, which with the one.
Okay, that's it. Now let's just wait it out and see what's about to happen. Price is starting to move for sure. Need to be on the 1 minute so I could put my it's my 828 candle. That's really what I need to be post that to my Discord. Really stick. Okay. Market getting ready to open. Oh yeah, I'm putting my orb on here. That. So I can put my orb on here because I might wait for orb for my second trade if the first trade's not acting right. Then I always have my orb entries to try out. Price is going pretty well, so I'm gonna start with 2. See what happens here. Bill's 5-minute chart. See what happens here. I think price should reject off of that area and just try to go up. But
order filled.
What happens?
Stop filled.
What happened? He did a lot quickly. $23 because all I did was $23 because it went up and then came back so quickly. What was that about? Okay, let's see what happens here. That was one trade. I'm only supposed to take up to 3, so should have got in right. when it started to reject right there. But let's see what happens here at this. It's been rejecting right here every time. So let's see if it's rejecting there again. It is. On the 15-second chart, it's rejecting that area again. So just gonna wait a second and see. See, can it break that area?
Order filled.
Okay, it is rejecting that area. See if it can go. Come on. Come on, price. Come on, price.
Stop filled.
Jeez. Going up, down. Alright, so I'm gonna wait. Because now it's just going back and forth. I mean, I haven't lost anything, but I keep on getting stopped out because price is jerking, it's not flushing. So, and that was 2 trades already. So let's just wait a second. Let me mark off my 932 candle. 932 always goes to meet 928, so should have known that. 932 is bullish. So at this point is when price should start. It might just trade in between those 2 areas for a minute. So let's see what happens. I'm only supposed to be able to take 1 more trade. 3 trades supposed to be my max. Although I didn't lose any trades, it's just they've been. So let's just wait and see what happens in between these 2 areas. 15-second and the 1 minute looks bearish, but the 5 minute looks bullish. So the 1 minute chart I'm looking at, that looks bearish. And I'm looking at the 15-second chart on another screen, and that looks bullish. I'm looking at it on my TraderBait, but now that's looking bullish too. They're all kind of looking bullish. Let's see if it gets over this 928. If it gets over this 928, I'm gonna go ahead and take a buy.
Order filled.
I'm gonna go ahead and take this buy.
Stop filled.
Really? Now I definitely am in the hole. Okay. That was my 3rd trade that I'm supposed to take. Alright. I'm just gonna give it a second because we are in the middle of ranges and it's only been 5 minutes. Price is acting pretty strange right now. So it's probably gonna at least go down to there, but the way that my stops are trailing, it's knocking me out. I don't have enough room. And I should probably lower my risk, but I just upped my risk on my TraderBait, so I might need to just chill for a second. Because this 15-second chart that I'm looking at is going like up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Just gonna wait a second. Because it is CPI day. And a lot been happening already. Moved a lot already. Then I see resistance building right here. Support, some type of support is building right here. So what is it gonna do? It needs it to break that or break it and retest it before I take anything. So it looks like it's building off of that. Let me see. Look at the 1 minute chart of this. So it broke it, but
Order filled. Stop filled. Order filled.
come on.
Order filled.
Okay. I got myself out of that because I started to feel a little bit like I was.
Order filled.
Come on. 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 Nope. Nope.
Stop filled.
Hey. Now I'm over trading. Yep, definitely over trading. And I'm not. I don't like it. I don't like price right now. Price movement right now is a little suspect. On the 1 minute chart, you see it's just going up and down, up and down, up and down. And I think I may have messed up my account. I don't know. No, I don't know what it wants to do.
Order filled.
I need to manage this trade better. I'm managing this trade very well because I can't even.
Stop filled.
Jeez, I couldn't even get my. I don't know why this is overlapping like that where I can't see. No overlapping. Like, what the heck?
Order filled. Stop filled.
God, this stop is too tight. I need to change my my stop is way too tight. And I
Order
can't
filled.
get my stop to stop being so tight. I think I just messed this up. Let's see. I'm looking at this 15-second chart. That's what I'm looking at. Come on. Come on, Nasdaq. 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 It's having trouble right here at this low level right here. Come on, Nasdaq. Come on, Nasdaq. Break that level. Come on, Nasdaq. Break that level. Come on, Nasdaq. Break that level. Yes, come on. Come on, break that level. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Come on, Nasdaq. Break even. That's it. Come on. Come on, Nasdaq. 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 Come on. Come on. My stop is like should be following it, but it's not because
Order filled.
okay, that was good. But I'm still behind because I was so far in the hole. It's crazy. And I couldn't even get my stop to move further. And I think I filled it like, but this, let me see if it's buyers still here. Is there still buyers there at 18,700? Yes, it is. Well, no, the buyers are gone from there. Oh, wait, no, they're still there at 95. Yep. The buyers there should have got in on a buy off of those buyers. The buyer's still sitting there. Retesting that buy area. Let's see what happens.
Order filled.
Oh no. Come on. Come on, Nasdaq.
Stop filled.
This is going so crazy. I mean, I've traded way too much now. And I was behind a lot. I mean, I was in the hole a lot and prices like moving pretty crazy now. And I got myself out of the hole. So it's like I really don't want to keep trading. And what is 9:45 now? So what is the let's see what's gonna happen with this orb. Is it gonna trade between the orb or is it going to trade above the orb? And I'm going to I should probably lower my risk because I am out the hole, so I don't need to trade with 4 contracts. I up my risk, which I do not recommend because I wanted to get out of the hole really quickly. But as you can see, it's not always a good thing to do. So I think it's retesting this 15-second area time, and then may want to come back down, and which is this 1 minute order block that is reacting off of. This actually is this level that it was stuck at earlier. It's reacting off of. Let's see what happens. I may be able to get a sell off of that
Order filled.
reaction. Oh shoot.
Stop filled.
And I just was out the hole, and now I put myself back in it. So I'm gonna wait a second. Just retesting that area again. I feel like it wants to drop from that area. But also, this 15-second is making like,
Order filled.
and this is gonna be my last trade.
Stop filled.
Gosh, I don't know what I just did. Oh, what did I just do? That was an accident. And I'm definitely overtrading. Overtrading way too much. And price is like jerking off over and over and over. I don't know what I just did, but see what happens when it gets to this 928. Is it going to go over that 928? Is it going to reject off of the 928? There's just 1 more minute left in this 5 minute candle. It's getting ready to be 10 o'clock. Oh, jeez. Definitely up. I feel like it's rejecting off of this 928 area for a down trend, but like a quick rejection down.
Order filled.
But it's going so crazy, it's hard for me to be able to get anything.
Stop filled.
It's going to stop me out
Order
every
filled.
time.
Stop filled.
That's why I need to just be, every time it's going to knock me out, because my stops are so tight with the way that I trade, because I'm in trailing drawdown account. So, yeah.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Every time it's going to knock me out. Every time. Every time it's going to knock me out.
Order filled.
I'm holding my stop up on my 15-second chart.
Stop filled.
Okay, let's see. I'm over trading way too much, y'all. So, would not recommend because I am truly over trading. I've traded way too many trades. My seat has fallen down to the ground. Let's see. See what happens at 10 o'clock. Maybe I'll wait till 10 o'clock.
Order filled.
Okay, so now I'm going to
Stop filled.
I stopped myself out because I felt it coming back. So, I mean, I over traded so much. I don't want to trade anymore because I'm out. I traded so much. Took so many trades because I had put myself in the hole because I had upped my, I always want to say lot size and I never even traded for it. So I don't know why I say lot, but I upped my, contract size because I had kept getting stopped out. So I'm like, well, if I up my size, I'll get more with my if I get stopped out. But that's not always a good thing to do because then it went in the wrong directions and that put me that put me in the hole when I was just getting stopped out at break even. So yeah, no. So I see another opportunity and let's see, I'm gonna let it retest this trend line because it keeps going there. And then I'm gonna let it retest that. The thing is, I don't see my okay, it's retesting that trend line and it's going down.
Order filled.
And I am going to get myself straight out of this.
Stop filled.
Again, can't even get in for a good
Order
trade
filled.
because oh goodness.
Stop filled. Order filled.
That's way too many order fields. Oh shoot. Come on, Nasdaq. Don't do that, Nasdaq. Come on, 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 Nasdaq.
Stop filled.
It's like, this is ridiculous, really. Like, just so ridiculous.
Order filled.
It's just so ridiculous. I'm looking at this 15-second chart so intensely. It just dropped super hard and then it's going crazy. I should have just jumped out of that. Come on. I'm about to get out of this trade. Goodness. It's like,
Stop filled.
Jeez. I mean, I am at this book map level for a buy, but it's like, I can't even, I know I messed this up.
Order filled.
I stopped
Order
myself
filled.
out because I just felt like it's just gonna go to that area and go back up because that's what it's been doing.
Order filled. Order filled.
I took myself out and I'm not getting no more trades because all I'm doing is going in the hole, out the hole, in the hole, out the hole, in the hole, out the hole. I'm out the hole and today looks very suspect. So, like, I don't know what it wants to do. It looks like it wants to drop down to there. It is retesting the orb right now. 15-second chart looks like it wants to go up for and retest something. I don't know what it wants to retest, but it looks like, okay, it looks like it's coming down.
Order filled. Stop filled. Order filled. Stop filled.
Oh my goodness. I was just about to push the button to get out of that trade. This is not going. I'm not posting this video. This is the worst trade that I've done in I don't know how long. Like literally the worst trading I've done in so long.
Order filled.
Come on, Nasdaq. 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 Come on, Nasdaq.
Stop filled.
Come on, Nasdaq.
Order filled.
Come on, Nasdaq. 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 CNBC polls all these investors out there. They're following the news or trend. They're going to figure out what to do. So that's a big factor here. Come on, Nasdaq.
Stop filled.
All right. I'm at 1570. Oh, that's just ridiculous. I did all of that. I had to go through all of that. I don't like having to go through all of that. Like, I took so many trades, it's ridiculous. And I'm supposed to take 2 to 3 trades. But Nasdaq was playing so crazy. It's just craziness. I kept saying, okay, I'm not taking another trade. I'm not taking another trade. But because my stops, I have my stops be so close. Like I trail so close. It's like I get stopped out so quick. And so then I try to get back in real quick. And then without thinking or just holding off for a minute. And then it will do a retest, and I'm just in the moment, and I'm not thinking like, oh, it's getting ready to retest, wait a second, because you got stopped out, so just wait. And then that I end up taking 100 trades, and I don't like that. I don't like taking all those trades. We're in that breaker block, that 1 hour breaker block area, and that's why price is reversing. But let's see. I'm gonna go on this, but I'm gonna move it to another screen so I can log in. I'm gonna log into my TradeZilla and see. I know my TradeZilla is probably like, girl, you done took way too many trades on this account. I don't know what account this is. I know I took way too many trades. I know I took way too many trades. 42 trades. But that's because I was using 2 and 4 27 trades. Look at this. Tuesday I did good, 1 trade. Wednesday 3 trades. Today 27 trades. That's craziness. And that's because I'm not giving myself time in between trades to reanalyze. I mean, this is only my 10th month trading futures. So I try to give myself a little leeway. Price is rejecting, let's go back. Price is rejecting the orb again. I added this orb. I never traded orbs, but people always talking about orbs. And then I was on a call the other day with Kendra. I think her name is just on Instagram, just Kendra Nicole, I think maybe. But she had showed like she uses this orb and this orb indicator. I don't use indicators at all, but I looked at it and I was like, oh, that's pretty cool. Like it's just a little line. It automatically shows you. You don't have to like plot out the orb yourself. I was like, I'll add it and put it on there sometimes and, have it visible at times just to see how price reacts to these orbs, because it's always good to have something else in your arsenal, but price right now is rejecting off of this breaker block, 1 hour breaker block. Price didn't really react too much to this 18,700. It did a little, let me see. It reacted and it went up only 143 ticks, so that's not much. Off of this bookmap level that was there, 700. It's still 95 orders sitting there. How? I guess they put them back there, huh? But that is still right at a level that I had marked off the high-low 5-minute chart. low of the day from yesterday that started at 6 p.m. That was the low. So everything is pointing to a bearish some reaction right now. 5 minute, 1 minute. And then this is the I'll pull this over. This is the chart I'm looking at. That's a 15-second chart. So as y'all can see, all these trades I took, it's just ridiculous. Look at all those trades. Because I kept getting stopped out. Every time I come down, it go up. Because, price goes up and down, up and down. It wasn't a real flush. And every time I get in, I'm getting stopped out because I trail my stops 50%. This is my trailing stops here. I was using this one. And that is, once I get in profit 50, it goes 10 ticks into profit. And then once I get in profit 100, it trails 50 ticks behind. And every 2 ticks it goes, it moves. The stock moves. So, my ultimate goal is always 850, but that doesn't really happen. And then my main stop loss is 100. So, I have a couple of these, trailing, whatever. I thought I added trailing stop. What happened to that? I wanted to make one with one contract. Maybe I didn't make it. I'm gonna make it right now. One contract, 300 stop loss because that's only 1500. And then I'm gonna make this 300. So that's only with one contract. I have 300 tick stop loss trying to get 850 because that'll give me more room. And then it's still going to trail the same. But then this, I said I wanted it to trail at 150, then go into trailing it at 50 tick stop loss. Do that. I wonder how that'll work. But that's only can do that with one contract. Y'all see I had 2 up there. I'm supposed to at least have only trade 2, but this is the one I use all the time. And this was my little trend line that I had here that I was working off of. Like, okay, I knew price was going to come down to here, but then, of course, it did do that. Should have been noticing that and just waited. And then you see how it came up here to this 15-second level and then drop, but then come back up and get stopped out. I wasn't getting any flushes. No flush. No real just drops. This one was, but it still stopped me out eventually. What's this? 37. That was a little bit, but I got in at the end and then it went up and stopped me out. That's what I was looking for to be on here. I want that to show because I need to be able to exit my trades. Oh, it just gave a real flush right there. I'm gonna get off of here though because that was 220. Because I'll start wanting to trade again. I'm already at my a good daily price, and I need to do work. It's 10:11. I do have a job. Although I work from home, I still have a position. Look at that price getting ready to go. 15-second chart just going. Look at that. 152. That one 15-second candle did it. I'm watching it right now. 18,550 book map level. Let's see. See what it's doing. 18,550. Still have 75 buyers right there. So those are like magnets. It's gonna go down to that level. Definitely. That's why I'm already getting the itch to press the button. Because I know it's going to go down there, and this 15-second chart is just moving. It's going to retest about, it's going to retest to like 18,594. 18,590. Yep, now it's going to drop again. It should retest to about up here. Yep, that's what it just did. And then I'm gonna get off of here. And that's it for today. Stop camera.